morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, December 16th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence. Thank you, and please have a seat. Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be sunny in the morning with a high of 71 degrees and a low of 63 degrees with a 16% chance of rain.
Don't forget to wear your Santa hat tomorrow.
Today in history, on December 16th, 1950, the classic Bugs Bunny and Elmer Fudd cartoon is released. Wow.
In the headlines, there is about 7 days, 19 hours, and 15 minutes until Santa makes his famous flight around the world.
Wow.
The astronauts at International Space Station will be tracking Santa's flight from space.
Oh. Today's fun fact is Christmas trees are also known as Yule trees. What? Now for the joke of the day. Hey Madison, what happened when the snowman got angry?
I don't know what.
He had a meltdown.
I hope everybody is looking forward to the class parties today.
Here's Alexis and Kayla for today's Would You Rather.
If you play along, be sure to raise your hand and do not shut out.
Number 1, would you rather have hot cocoa or a crumble cookie? Crumble cookie.
Number 2, would you rather wrap presents or unwrap presents?
Unwrapped presents.
Unwrap presents.
Number 3, would you rather go ice skating or roller skating?
Roller skating. Would you rather get a drink from Starbucks or Sonic?
Sonic.
Starbucks.
Number 5, would you rather eat snowman cookies or s'mores?
S'mores.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Leah.
And I'm Madison. That's
Larry.
And that's Fiona.
Where's Twinkle? Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Happy holidays and have an amazing break.